Remember the replicators from Star Trek, where you could ask for anything to a machine and it would materialize in front of you? I think that these things are a matter of time, because I just bought my very first 3D printer just to test a few things out, just to see how these things work and how they might be implemented in the future. And I think that these are now currently, you can print a lot of stuff on them without possessing any kind of knowledge how to build the thing that you want to print necessarily. So I think the future of these printers is in the future that you might just buy the designs that you want to print and then you can just simply print it. For example, you got IKEA selling all sorts of mugs and glasses and all sorts of plastic stuff that could be printed by these machines. So why go to IKEA rather than go onto the site of IKEA, pay €1 or $1 or whatever to buy the design and let the printer do the work? This is the next multi-billion-dollar business that's gonna grow. I think that this is the future of these things. What do you think? Leave a like in the comments and comment on it. What do you think what will the future bring for us in these kind of things?